Look at this for a view. It's a bit chilly up here on Portland today though. Is that? Give you a bit of a 360. Somebody fishing in a kayak down there. Down again. Some dodgy geezer filming down there. And the Purbeck Hills in the background over there. And Chesil Beach, which runs from here all the way down to Lyme Regis, 19 miles long. That water's a beautiful colour today. There's a bit of the coast path that's been closed off. You can see where the pillars of rock have fallen away. And the coast path used to run right through. You used to be able to walk through it. It's kind of crazy if you think that that could happen to the bits we're standing on now. And you're alright, you can swim, can't you?
I can't fly though, can I?
Well, I'm going to do my video now.
Right. That's crazy.
Let's check this out, guys.
You wouldn't want to take a tumble down there. The colour of that sea today, it's gorgeous. We're in a place on Portland called Tout Quarry. Yeah, it's an old quarry where they used to obviously dig out the stone, and quite some famous buildings are built out of it. I believe Westminster Cathedral or Palace, one of the two, is built out of Portland stone. But they've left the quarry to its own devices. It's no longer worked, and sculptures have come down and started sculpting some of the rocks. And there's some really nice pieces in there. I'll show you around. Right, you can see here one of the old tram tracks, the cart tracks, where they used to bring the stone from the quarry, and it would have gone down to wait in ships, or they just used to use the cart tracks to dump it all down there, because you can see that's all been dumped down there, that stone. One big piece that's been created.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep, 'cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa, why did she go? I met her back in 2005. It was her crooked little smile that caught my eye. Time went by.
Nice stone archway they built. Again, I think so they could cart stuff to the coast. Dated 1854. I've just googled the name on the bridge, J.C. Lano, and it's come up with there's actually an encyclopedia of Portland history. Lano's Arch, also known as Lano's Bridge, is a mid-19th century dry stone arch bridge at Tout Quarry, built as part of the quarry's tramway system. The structure is dated 1854 and became a Grade 2 listed monument. I think this was meant to be a Viking ship. Do you hear that? He said it sank because it was made of concrete. Look at this, got our very own Stonehenge all to ourselves. Got a better view there here. There's an ant walking around the stones, probably explaining how it's been put here by aliens. Oh wow, look at that. Great big ammonite fossil. See all the shells from another ammonite there. That's huge. You see the man on the cliff over there? Oh, that was a bit dodgy. Get a bit closer. It looks to be a little cavern down there as well. That's definitely not natural lay of the rock. That's all been stacked. They're huge boulders. Nice carving in there. Old stone font that somebody's carved out. Yes, they've actually carved out their own fireplace. Somebody's used it as well, but there's no chimney. I'll tell you what it does look like, is like the old ancient Wales in Cornwall. So there might possibly have been a spring coming out of this rock back in the day. Oh, there's the ancient man round here. Yeah, that's the ancient man climbing the cliff. You can't see it from here, you'd have to go up there to see it. Someone's carved a huge man just under ant there. Can't see it too clearly from this angle. I'll try and get a better angle. That's his hand. We go around there, see if we can get a better view of it. Oh, that's a bit high. Good job I'm not scared of heights, isn't it? That's assuming I can get down this way, which I can't. Well, I can. Let's go a bit adventurous. Can't see Ant walking around this way, he's scared of heights. Spider down there. Not going to tread on him. Oh, I'm not going through my hands and knees. Oh, look at that down there. Cool. They've carved this out and then carved the indent in the wall to make it look like it fell out the wall.